My name is Evelyn, and I'm enrolled in the dental assisting program. Working at the dental clinic at CHCP was very exciting. It was fun. I felt safe because my instructor was with me the whole time. We do have an externship. That's part of the program as well, but I feel like if we didn't have the labs and just going straight to the externship, that would be really nerve-wracking. But labs really do help out a lot.
My name is Liza Wright, and I am an instructor, dental instructor at CHCP. I have almost 20 years in the field. Before I was making a move, and I decided to come teach what I had already learned out in the field. So I joined the team here at CHCP. We really lucked out with the clinic here in McAllen. I think it's been really an invaluable tool for our students. Lectures, one thing, reading books, but hands-on, with actual patients, it's something that they can really sink their teeth into and learn from and know what to expect once they're done with the program and they go out and start their externship and then their jobs. We understand here that we help our students change lives, but the clinic made it to where we're changing lives of the community as well. Having access to a dentist is something that sometimes I guess we could take for granted, but in this community, especially with people that don't have insurance, that don't have a lot of money, something as simple as a toothache, that's gonna, just wreck you. You need help. With the population that we have here, we do have an older population that doesn't have access to dental treatment. So the cost is very effective for them because it's a lower cost clinic. It's an option for them, and they can now have dentures where they might not have been able to afford it before because of the dentist.
I really love the fact that we have a dental clinic. It makes such a difference in the confidence levels of students. They get to work alongside a dentist while they're still in class. So all that builds their confidence, and once they're able to go out on clinicals or once they're a graduate, they've already got a sense of what it is, and they're able to translate it into what they imagine the career to be a lot more readily.